Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We're thrilled to have you join us. In today's episode, we'll be sharing an engaging story titled My Best Friend. This story is ideal for beginners, particularly those at the A1 level of English. It will help you build vocabulary, improve your listening skills, and understand basic sentences. So, get comfortable, relax, and let's dive in. Hello, my name is Jack, and I want to tell you about my best friend, Alex. He is a very special person in my life, and we have been friends since we were 6 years old. We first met in school when we were both new to the class. Alex smiled at me, and from that moment, we became great friends. Alex is 12 years old. Just like me, he has brown hair and blue eyes. He always wears cool t-shirts with pictures of superheroes because he loves comics. Alex is not very tall, but he is very fast. In fact, he is the fastest runner in our school, and he wins almost every race during sports day. Alex and I do everything together. We sit next to each other in class and help each other with schoolwork. Alex is really good at drawing. He can draw amazing pictures of animals and superheroes. Whenever there is an art competition, he wins first place. I'm not good at drawing, but Alex always encourages me to try, and he even shows me how to draw simple pictures. After school, we love to play outside. We ride our bikes around the park or play soccer with other kids. Alex is a great soccer player. He plays as a striker and scores lots of goals. Sometimes, he teaches me tricks to kick the ball better. Alex is not only fun, but he's also very kind. Last year, I fell off my bike and hurt my knee. Alex helped me stand up and walked with me all the way home. He even stayed to make sure I was okay. That's the kind of friend he is, always caring and helpful. On weekends, Alex and I spend time doing fun activities. We love going to the library to read books. Alex enjoys books about space and science, while I like adventure stories. Sometimes, we swap books and talk about them. We also enjoy playing video games together. Alex is really good at video games, but he lets me win sometimes so I don't feel bad. One of my favorite memories with Alex is when we went to the beach last summer. We built the biggest sandcastle ever and collected shiny seashells. We also played in the water and had a race to see who could swim faster. Of course, Alex won, but he cheered for me anyway. Alex has a big heart. He loves animals and once rescued a little puppy that was lost. He gave the puppy food and water and found its owner. The owner was so thankful, and Alex felt happy that he could help. What makes Alex a great friend is his honesty and loyalty. He always tells the truth and stands by me, no matter what. If I feel sad or worried, he listens and tries to make me feel better. Last year, when I was nervous about a big test, Alex studied with me every evening. Thanks to him, I passed the test and felt very proud. Alex and I have a lot of fun, but we also help each other when things get tough. I feel lucky to have a best friend like him. He makes my life brighter and happier every day. I hope we will always stay best friends, even when we grow up. That's the end of the story, My Best Friend, for today. Now, I'll ask you 3 questions to check if you understood the story. 1. What color are Alex's eyes? 2. What are 2 activities that Jack and Alex like to do together after school? 3. Where did Jack and Alex go last summer? Please share your answers in the comments below. Be sure to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Download it to support your learning. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with a new, exciting topic to help you improve and succeed in your listening skills.